Welcome to the English Beginner Zone. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to visit a diner named the Golden Spoon. You will hear a simple story between Diana and Tony, two friendly co-workers at the diner. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Just relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully. Here is today's question. What is the secret art of being a great waiter? The answer is in the story. Try to listen and find it. You can write your answer in the comments in English. This will help you improve your English faster. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Good morning. You must be Diana.
Yes, good morning. I am Diana. Today is my first day.
Welcome. My name is Tony. I have worked here for 2 years.
Nice to meet you, Tony.
Nice to meet you too. Are you ready for the secret?
The secret? Is there a secret at this diner?
Yes, every great waiter knows it. But first, let's talk.
Okay. Honestly, I feel a little nervous.
That is okay. My hands were shaking on my first day too.
Really? Even you were nervous?
Yes, I dropped a plate of fries right here. It was a mess.
Oh no. What did your boss say?
He said, "Tony, fries belong on the table, not the floor."
I feel a little better now. Thank you for telling me.
Good. Look around. The diner is quiet now. It is peaceful.
Yes. Is it always like this in the morning?
In the morning we prepare, we check everything. Then the rush comes.
What is the rush? Is it very busy?
At noon, many people arrive. They want lunch quickly.
I should write this down. What should I learn first?
Today we start with the menu. It is the heart of the diner.
I will try my best to remember everything.
Don't worry. People here are kind. They often leave a tip.
A tip? I have heard about that in movies.
We will talk about tips later. For now, look at the breakfast.
Okay, I am ready. Lead the way, Tony.
One more thing. Be kind to yourself today.
Be kind to myself? What does that mean?
It means mistakes happen. If you make one, I will help you.
Thank you. That makes me feel safe.
Look at the kitchen. It is busy already.
Wow, there are so many smells. It is amazing.
This is our most popular breakfast, golden pancakes.
It looks delicious. I want to eat one.
Maybe after your shift. Now, let's look at the prices.
How much are the pancakes?
They are $8. A very good deal.
And coffee? Everyone loves coffee.
$3 for a large cup. It is very strong.
I can smell it from here. It is great.
Kids love this dish. It is eggs with cheese.
Eggs and cheese. Simple and nice.
This omelet is spicy. We always ask customers first.
Ask about the spice. Got it.
Good. Now, do you want to see the register?
Yes. Is the register difficult to use?
No, it is like a phone. Just press the dish names.
Do people pay with cash or card?
Most people use cards. It is very fast.
What if they have cash? I am bad at math.
The register tells you the change. You just count.
Oh, thank goodness. That is a relief.
Try it. Pretend I am a customer.
Hello? Are you ready to order?
Yes, I want the golden pancakes and a large coffee.
That is $8 plus $3. $11, please.
Perfect. You are a natural.
Thank you. It is easier than I thought.
We always give free water. Do not forget that.
Free water. That is very kind of the owner.
It makes people feel welcome. Small things matter.
Where are the bathrooms? Customers will ask.
Over there, past the kitchen door. Keep them clean.
Bathrooms, keep clean. I will check them often.
You are very serious about this job. I like it.
I really want to do a good job. My parents are proud.
My parents were happy too. They love this diner.
Is that the owner in the photo?
Yes. He has owned the Golden Spoon for 30 years.
30 years? That is a long time.
He knows everything about people. He taught me the secret.
The secret again. When will you tell me?
Soon. Let's see how you talk to a customer first.
Okay. My heart is beating fast.
It is okay. Imagine I am your friend. I am hungry.
Hello, welcome. My name is Diana. How are you today?
I am good, Diana. What is good today?
The golden pancakes are very popular. They are $8.
That sounds great. I will take them.
Can I get you anything else? Maybe some coffee?
Yes, please. A large coffee with milk.
One order of pancakes and one large coffee. Thank you.
You are doing great. But remember one thing.
What is it? Did I forget something?
Use eye contact. It shows you are listening.
Eye contact. Like this?
Exactly like that. It makes the customer feel special.
I want everyone to feel special here.
Good. Now let's learn about the small things.
What are these? Small towels?
These are napkins. We fold them neatly.
Like a triangle? This is like origami.
And here are the straws. We put them in the glass.
Are these made of paper? They feel different.
Yes, paper straws. They are better for the earth.
I like that. The Golden Spoon is a good diner.
This is the tray. It helps us carry many things.
Wow, it is heavier than it looks.
Keep it flat. Use your palm, not just your fingers.
I am walking slowly. 1, 2, 3.
Imagine there are 12 people at a big table.
12 people? That is a lot of pancakes.
12 times 8 is $96.
$96. Plus 12 coffees? That is over $100.
Yes, big groups are hard, but they are fun.
It is almost 11 a.m. Is it time for the rush?
Yes, in 15 minutes the door will open a lot.
I need to be ready. Let's check the tables one more time.
Check the salt and pepper. Are they full?
This one is full. This one is almost empty.
Good catch. Always refill before the rush.
Pouring salt. It is like snow.
Yes. Table, salt, snow. You have a good imagination.
My mother says imagination makes the day better.
Look, our first regular customer is here.
What is a regular customer?
It is someone who comes every day. His name is Mr. Miller.
You know his name. That is impressive.
I know his order too. He likes tomato soup.
Can I say hello to him?
Mr. Miller, this is Diana. She is new today.
Hello, Mr. Miller. It is a pleasure to meet you.
See, I didn't even ask. I just brought the water.
You know what he wants before he asks. That is fast.
That is part of being a great waiter. You know your people.
Is it hard to remember so many names?
Use a trick. Mr. Miller always wears a blue hat.
Blue Hat Miller. Tomato soup. I can remember that.
The bell. That means food is ready.
Oh, my first real order.
Take this to Mr. Miller. Walk slowly.
Careful. It is hot. Here is your tomato soup, Mr. Miller. Enjoy.
She did it. Her first perfect service.
Wow, my legs are so tired.
The first day is always the hardest. You did well.
The morning was so slow, but the lunch was so fast.
That is the life of a waiter. Slow and fast. Never boring.
Tony, you said there was a secret. Can you tell me now?
I have been showing it to you all day. Did you see it?
Was it the napkins? Or the tray? Or the math?
No. Those are skills. The secret is much simpler.
Your face? You look happy.
The secret is a warm smile. It is more valuable than any tip.
A warm smile. More valuable than money?
Mr. Miller is lonely. Your smile made him feel at home.
He did smile back at me. He looked very happy.
A smile is a free gift. It is powerful.
The secret art. Always bring a smile. I love it.
Some waiters are fast but mean. People do not like them.
I want to be fast and kind. Like you, Tony.
You are already there. You have a great heart.
I cannot wait for tomorrow. Is that strange?
Not at all. It means you belong here.
I feel like a part of the family now.
The Golden Spoon family. It is a good family.
Today was a long day, but it was fun.
A tired body and a happy heart. That is a good feeling.
That is exactly how I feel. I am happy.
Look at the stars. They are quiet too.
It is a beautiful night. The city is sleeping.
Be careful on the train, Diana.
I will. See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow. Sleep well.
One more look at the menu. Pancakes, eggs, coffee, and most importantly, the smile. I think I will dream about pancakes tonight.
Every day is a new story at the diner.
Morning is here. I am early.
You are early. I like your energy.
I brought my secret with me today.
Good. Let's make some coffee.
It is not just food. It is people. It is moments.
That is the secret art of being a great waiter.
Here you go. Have a wonderful day.
She is the best waiter we have now.
I love my job. I love the Golden Spoon.
And we love having you here, Diana.
Did you enjoy the story? Let me ask you the question again. What is the secret art of being a great waiter? Did you find the answer? If yes, write it in the comments below. Keep practicing like this and your English will improve step by step. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow speaking and helpful tips. I will upload more videos like this. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join the membership if you want more content. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.